Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Reviewer Winspections, the go-to destination for best infotainment systems. If you're new here, I'm Nathan, and thrilled to have you join our community. Today's video is going to be the top 5 infotainment system. Something I'm passionate about, and I think you'll love it too. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. It helps out the channel. Alright, let's get into today's content. Number 1. Boss Audio Systems BAFAUB 9358RC. With some of the best functions at a fraction of the cost, this Boss stereo is packed with options. First, it can play DVDs, CDs, and MP3s, and it includes a rear camera and hands-free voice calling. In addition, it has USB, SD, and aux ports to watch anything from photos to favorite movies or listen to your favorite tunes from an old iPod. Answer/make calls and be hands-free with no distractions. The built-in microphone picks up your voice and your car speakers let you hear the person on the other side. Play and control your music and apps like Spotify/Pandora wirelessly. One consumer described, "One great feature is the ability to dim the screen for night driving. Also, the screen reverts to a black background large clock display when the radio is turned off. Many features make it versatile. One, for example, is the radio drops in volume automatically when you go into reverse. Number 2. Stoybring Double DIN Car Stereo compatible with Apple CarPlay. This economical Stoybring has features seen on much pricier versions, including an HD touchscreen, Bluetooth, mirror link, a rear camera, and a USB port. The 7-inch screen can also be controlled via the steering wheel and is large enough to watch YouTube or TikTok videos. This double DIN car stereo is compatible with Apple CarPlay, allowing superior voice assist control and making it easier to access your iPhone functions including music, map navigation, calls, notifications, messages, and much more, while keeping your hands free for totally safe driving maneuvers. The Apple CarPlay built-in professional hi-fi amplifier chip TDA 7851, with 16-band EQ settings, can meet your needs for different sound quality, so as to enjoy excellent sound quality on the go. One happy reviewer commented, "I didn't expect my budget to allow me to have such a feature-packed quality car stereo that allows me to connect my Samsung Galaxy S9 or Galaxy S20 and use Google." Number 3. Alpine AUX W650 Digital Multimedia Receiver. This good infotainment system from Alpine is designed for certain models that require a chassis car design. Available features include a 7-inch mechless receiver, voice controls, a touch panel as well and the ability to play Pandora or Spotify directly from your mobile phone. Note that a separate adapter must be purchased to use Apple Play. Digital media receiver with AM/FM tuner, does not play CDs. Shallow mount chassis design, 2 7/16 deep. Touchscreen swipe controls. Designed to work with CarPlay and Android Auto. Hands-free control lets you access apps using your voice. One happy shopper explained, "This is a good head unit for applications that require short chassis. I have a O2 F150 that barely accommodated the RCAs in a standard length single DIN." They went on to add, "The audio settings get quite advanced, the unit sounds great." Number 4. Double DIN car stereo radio with Bluetooth. Smartphone users will appreciate having one of these Stoybring models in their vehicles thanks to their access and compatibility. This company has created an easy-to-install unit that can be touchscreen or hands-free to avoid potential disaster, and that has excellent sound and a rear camera. This double DIN car stereo is compatible with Apple CarPlay. Simply connect your iOS phone to it via the original USB cable and you can use the compatible apps on the car stereo. Meanwhile, with the help of Siri Voice Assistant, you are allowed to dial phone calls, navigate, play music, and more, while keeping your hands free for completely safe driving operations. This model can be used on most double DIN car models, including Audi and Ford. One purchaser explained, "The hands-free calling sounds great and allows you to switch from speaker to phone in just one button. Highly recommend if you're on a budget." Number 5. Decida 10.2 inches Android car stereo. Car owners looking for a large screen that provides rear seat entertainment will appreciate this 10.2-inch Decida display that can help create that new car feel. This Android double DIN screen works with any vehicle with a 1 or 2 DIN head unit, including Toyota Camry 2015, 2016, and 2017. This head unit features with powerful CPU hexa-core PX6, 64-bit, 4GB RAM, 64G ROM, and the newest Android 10 operating system. Ensure faster and more responsive using experience. QLED display with a capacitive touchscreen, built-in hands-free calling and music streaming, compatible with high-res audio-video files. The simple menus help navigate the user-friendly commands to easily check navigation, Bluetooth, Google Play, the news, and answer calls. One customer wrote, "It's fast, and the touchscreen works well. When I purchased a custom ROM for it, it took it to a whole new level. There is never a dull moment in the car anymore. This is the next step in car audio." Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.